Ma'am, as a principal with all your experience, why do you think food education is important in today's time and age?
Food education is very important in today's time because children are going towards junk food and they are not eating healthy food, which is much required for their health. Through this master class, Gayatri is teaching them very well in a very interesting way, and that what should we eat, and the healthy food can be tasty also, not only junk food.
Ma'am, how do you feel about food education and inclusive education? And are the hearing and speech impaired children any different from normal children?
I don't think that the hearing impaired children are different from other people because there is only a way of teaching is different. As per food education, they can learn as others are learning to cook food, and they can be a part of society. Food is a platform that brings together all community. So I think this is a great platform for them to come with along with other people. Food production is a great platform that can bring hearing impaired at par with normal children, and they can become equal to these children. They can prove that they are not less than any other.